Hygiene is of utmost importance when it comes to feeding bottles, and there are a lot of queries in general regarding the right way to maintain cleanliness and to keep the bottles germ-free. So how do we keep a daily check on baby bottle hygiene? How do we ensure that our baby's health is secure? Are there any non-toxic and gentle ways to maintain a good balance between health and hygiene? Well, all your queries get answered in this video as we bring you products from Luvlap that make everyday parenting easier. Please click to subscribe and turn on the notifications. It is extremely important to maintain the right hygiene for baby bottles as they tend to collect dirt, dust and milk residue very easily. This leads to unwanted and harmful bacterial growth in the bottle and its parts, which may in turn affect the baby's health, causing sickness and infections. Hence, it's important to follow a proper cleaning process of the bottles frequently, but not with regular dishwashing liquids. Reason being, your baby's immune system is delicate and it's still developing. Hence, the cleanser should be void of any harsh chemicals. Cleaning the baby bottles with dishwashing liquids, which are meant for cleansing our regular household items, may not be ideal for baby bottles as babies could be sensitive to the harsh chemicals present in the dishwashing liquids. Thus, it would be a better idea to use non-toxic antibacterial cleanser which is derived from natural resources and made specifically for cleaning baby products, as is gentle on the bottle and is chemical-free. Luvlap Liquid Cleanser is one such product which is ideal for everyday cleansing of feeding bottles. It is antibacterial, non-toxic, made with 100% food-grade ingredients and contains no artificial colors. And it's easy to use. I keep it handy here in my kitchen and I've used it to nicely scrub my baby bottles and their accessories, making sure they are thoroughly clean. Now, cleansing the feeding bottles with only a cleanser is not enough. The cleansing process must be followed by proper sterilization of the feeding bottles to ensure no harmful microorganisms are left on them. It's necessary to sterilize not only the bottles but also the teats and other parts of the bottles thoroughly. Sterilization of feeding bottles can be done in two ways. One is the traditional way of sterilizing the bottles in the boiling water. Most of us are aware of this kind of sterilization. The other modern way is to sterilize in a steam sterilizer, and the Luvlap Royal Electric Steam Sterilizer is the ideal product that forms an essential part of the daily and frequent sterilization of feeding bottles and accessories. It kills 99.9% of germs, is chemical-free, sterilizes 6 bottles and accessories as you can see here. It has an 8-minute auto shut and a transparent body for easy viewing. The contents can remain sterile for 24 hours if unopened, and it also has a compact design and is travel friendly. Keeping the baby safe from infections is the top priority of every parent, and for this it's important to use an appropriate chemical-free cleanser and a proper sterilization process at least till the baby is 12 months old. We hope that while your baby's immune system continues to strengthen, our recommendations today will help create a healthy and hygienic space for your baby. Do share your feedback with us and don't forget to check out the links below for more Luvlap products. Thank you and goodbye.